Whoosh. Welcome back to the channel. This is Kangamoo. Let's play Satisfactory. You may notice something different. Yes, my space elevator has moved. Actually, a lot of things have changed. Yep. Essentially, I have come to the conclusion that there's a lot of legwork involved in this game, and most of it is extremely boring. So I'm just not going to record most of it. But I got to a slightly interesting point. I kind of want to speedrun the end of this, and by speedrun I mean do it very slowly and not necessarily record it, because I really want to start over. Really, I don't like where this one went. I can't really be bothered making like proper supply chains to finish it up. I'm just basically gonna chaos the heck out of it and not bother making it beautiful. Like this station, not connected to anything. There is no other station. There is no train. It goes straight up there and stops. I just went a totally different way. And I'm too lazy to unbuild it or demolish it. Yeah, unbuild is demolish, right? Yes, I can speak English. Anyway, I have been editing my episodes. I'm about 8 behind, and I just sit there and mumble for 25 minutes. If you have been watching them all, thank you very much. I appreciate you, but gosh darn it, how do you get through it? I can't even rewatch them. So instead, I am just gonna hurry through these milestones and try and get it, as much of it done as quickly as possible. I will give you a quick recap on what has changed. I mean, most of it's pretty obvious and not terribly interesting. I'm now delivering the old aluminium sheet from the other place. Funnily enough, when I created the extra bit being the freight terminal, I put them the wrong way around. So these casings, oh, I just flew into that. These casings were coming out this side and vice versa, and it was a mess to clean up. I never noticed that there is actually copper right next to my other train station. So I put some miners down there to get that copper, and some, smelters and constructors. So I put everything together down there before shipping it up here, rather than shipping back the aluminium. I moved some stuff around, like this, what do you call this thing? Quantum encoder used to be over there. There's nothing over there anymore, see? And this guy used to be over there too. It's the particle accelerator that makes these cool dark matter crystals. Don't they look cool? Look very neat. Anyway, and I am back to making the pasta because we need so much of it. I don't know why I stopped. I think because I had power concerns. I have created 5 new fuel generating plants, and I'm going to make more. Oh, I forgot I can't check the power by touching those. I'm just hand delivering these at this point. I need to hook up the pressure conversion cube creation, but that's way over there. And I was too lazy to hook up the pasta delivery. I figure it only makes 50 and they don't happen very often, so I just do it by hand. Unfortunately, I'm doing a lot by hand that I just need to hook up, so I might just quietly do that. Let's deliver this guy. There you go. Boom. Done. Nice and quick. I think I'm pretty close to finishing this milestone. As you can see, I got the blueprint thingamajig done. I was going to add delivery. Oh yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So instead of hand delivering these steel pipes, because I'm not using capacity to make the industrial beams anymore, I split this right here. I opened up the side here, and I'm going to place a couple of constructors. So I have been busy in the blueprint designer making single blueprint pieces. Okay, this is a loop, so it goes in one end and comes out the same end. And I think I'm going to place this here, so that would be facing the correct way, but oh no, I don't want it to auto connect to that. Wait, stop. How do I stop that? There we go. Default. It's got to come down off of this line here, so I need room to place a, what do you call it? Lift. So it's going to come in this side and go out the other. Put it kind of right in the middle because I never leave enough room. So I'm just going to do like 2 for now? What do you reckon? Now I do want this to auto connect. There we go. Okay, a little bit more ground out here. Well, that's not what I wanted to do. Lovely. Lovely. Now, this is the innie. I need to pop a lift here. Oh no, that's not even close. There we go. Looks roughly it. And I need a splitter. Like this one. Let's reconstruct this lift. Okay, let's make steel pipes. No power. We knew that. Steel pipe. And let's hook up the gas. Is there an outlet around here? How about right there? Oops. Okay, now I have to deal with this output. I need to get it up here to that machine. I think I'm going to go along the ceiling. What do you think? Let's put a ceiling in here, shall we? Since we're just standing in the rain right now. How are we doing? 2 more? 1 more and it'll be even. Then we can worry about walls later. To be frank, I'm not really doing walls anymore. I was trying to make cool buildings, but again, I just want to finish this dang thing. I don't know. I think it was getting a bit frustrating. I was just spending so much time faffing about, and then listening to myself faff about was so annoying. Oh gosh. And if I'm annoyed, I can't imagine what it's like for anyone else to watch. Okay, where's the input for this guy? Let's go down there. Okay, that should go along the ceiling, right? Should I maybe go that way? Yeah. Oh, shoot. Never mind. Let's go this way. I'm not there yet. Oh my goodness, I did the output, didn't I? Let's deconstruct that. And that. Wrong end. Not even freaking close. This is the side. Okay. I think I'm going to get rid of these sloped roofs. Remember all that time I spent trying to make it look straight? Yeah. That was a waste of time. Okay, we essentially want to go this way. Too far? Okay. Let's go straight here. Is that straight? It's not straight. Why is it not straight? Like almost straight. Ugh. Why? Oops. It like turned just a little bit at the end there. Very annoying. Okay, let's delete this. It's kind of in my way. I have to fly around it. Maybe I'll go the other way? Come out this way? Is it because it's the wrong height? Oh, this roof is a different height. Okay, that makes sense. That way I'll know exactly how high it should be. Whoops. What happened there? Let's try that again. Oh gosh. Fan is going wild. I might be losing this video as per usual. I don't want it to be that, right? Did I get it straight? I think I did. That's so exciting. All right, that's fantastic. I'm just going to delete this. That was just the placeholder to line it up. Okay. That should be producing fantastic. Slam fluctuators, also known as SAM fluctuators. I want to put them in here. Let's just run it across. Oh, the end's on the other side. Okay. That at least should get me my final 400 of those. I do still need to worry about the remaining radio unit thingamajigs. I don't know why it's taking me so long to make them. I think because I keep faffing about. Shocking, I know. Okay. Should we steal them from here? I have loads of those, but I'm not using them. I'll put them in this machine over here. It's funny how you kind of memorize where everything is. Everyone else watching must be like, where the heck are you going? I know exactly where everything is, and it's kind of sad. Oh, dang, kind of short on wire, eh? I wonder why, though. I mean, cable, not wire. Wire looks fine. I mean, it's not... Oh, I guess it is full. It's not over full. Okay. I know the copper over here is maxed out. Going as quick as it can. Okay, because this is using the... Oh, yeah. Dang, it's getting low again. Gosh darn it. Darn copper dust. It uses so much of it in this machine. I haven't checked the electricity in a while. I've just been adding machines willy-nilly. Nilly and Willy. Okay, that's Mark II minor good. It's fine. Not even close. No worries. I think this one's paused, which is fine. I don't need any more of those right now. I think I need them for the the AI computer, right? So I don't want to sleep on that, but oh, I think I have enough of these. Okay, wait. Let's skill these. Yeah, that's enough of those for now. Let's see what else. Okay, we're getting pretty close. Okay, I guess I should start on the phase 5 objectives. I mean, more than just the nuclear faster. So I added the AI expansion servers, like 100 of them, and a couple biochemical sculptors, like 40. I know I have the magnetic field generators already made. I definitely will need some more super positron oscillators, so I'm gonna need 256 of them, right? So I figure let's just throw that in there. But I am gonna need them. I am gonna need more of these too, because I'm gonna need 256 of them, I think. And we're not gonna worry about that one right now. I think I should figure out my cable problem. What do you reckon? I think, I have. I could add another freight terminal and send them up from the other one. But I think here, if I add another two, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. It's Mark II minor. I do not have the stuff to make a Mark III, do I? No, I'm missing a lot of things. There's not enough wire going in here, huh? Okay, so most of this wire is going in here, but it's not enough. And all these machines look like they're full of things. So I could add 2 more over here or up the top. What do you reckon? These wires are ugly, but I'm going to ignore that for now. Instead, I'm going to make a couple more, what are we calling them? Constructors? Here? Oh, shoot. What is happening? Oh, autoconnect. I was like, what is going on? Okay, so these are one way, right? In to the left, out to the right. The innie and outie are on the same side. So I could put them in this direction. Why don't I do that? Probably a bit nicer. Whoop. And we'll just, wait, what is happening here? There we go. Attach it to the right spot and zip it out this way. I'm going to delete this here so I can see this so I can split it. Let's put a splitter on it. Fantastic. I'm going to rearrange these wires a little bit. This one and this one. I'm going to daisy chain this one to... Wait, they're both attached to the same pole, so I can just attach this pole to... Oh, I see what was happening. Now all of them are attached to one pole. And I can send that, I don't know, down below. Just attach it to something else. How about that one? There we go. Fantastic. Means I can delete this wall. Okay. Let me figure out how to pop in. Should we do how many constructors? I just realized I'm splitting the wire to make more cable, but that's not the problem. I need to make more cable. Oh no, they're full of wire. Am I misunderstanding the problem? No, this one's not full. Okay, I have more ingots and not enough wire. That's too low, isn't it? Oh no, it might be okay. Okay, that's what I needed. It to be flat so I can split it. Fantastic. How many do you think I should put? I'm gonna do a loop, the loop ones, so they will go in and out the same end. And that way I can just put them down to the bottom. It keeps like going in and out of existence. I think it's because I am sticking on those power poles. I think I can nudge it closer. So that's good, right? They're connected. I'm gonna put in one too many, just in case I can get it to work with 3. I suspect it'll be too many, but I'd rather be wrong and figure it out. Okay, I want to turn these into wire. Hook these up to the power. Okay. Pop a lift in here. Did I miss the lineup? Oh no, I think I did. That's a bummer. Oh my god, I hooked up the in to the out. Oh, that was dumb. What is underneath? Can't get it down here. Okay. No, wait, what happened? No. Yeah, I want it right there. Oh no. How did it go down 1? Don't even know if that's lined up, but let's find out. Yeah, it's down 1 too far. I don't care. As long as it works, it works. Okay, let's see how we're doing on these ingots. Are we using them all now? Let's see how the throughput looks. Oh, we're not using them all. Maybe I should do 2 more. Maybe it's because the ingots are backed up. No, that's empty. The ingots are still backed up, I think. Yeah, 99, 100. I think I could add another one, right? Okay, let's see if we're filling up these constructors now with wire. Nah, I mean, no. But it's got to be better, right? No, we're still getting idle. Why though? I'm now making 30, 60, 120 more wire per minute. Is that still not enough? Are these machines even filling up? I mean, it looks like it's remaining stagnant, right? 161 to 163. Oh no, maybe it's going up. Maybe they will eventually fill up. Yeah, it's going up. Is the first one full? That's why? Yeah. Okay. It's gonna take a while, but hopefully they will fill up. Let's see how these are doing. Maybe I need to upgrade that miner. 65. Looks like it's going down. I think it's time to upgrade the miner. But for now, as long as more cable is coming out of there, I'll be happy. Okay. I need to bring crystal oscillators up here or do production up here. Oh, I do need to get some of these SAM fluctuators. Are we there yet? I think we're there. How's this doing? Well, that's taking wire too, but it doesn't look like it's emptying out at all. These are no longer overflowing into the sink, which is good, I guess. Yeah, slowly going down. This is chock-a-block and not doing anything, which is fine. I do need those for the biochemical sculptors. Look how far down this is now. I think it's time to move it. What do you reckon? Okay, now we're down to, what do you call those? The radio control units. Let's see what we can steal. I mean, borrow. Let's take these crystal off. I think I had an aluminium casing over here. I do. Maybe it's time to move this production. Wait, not that one. Crystal oscillator. Where are they coming from? I think they're over here. Ah, I lose stuff in my own factory. Yes, they are. Reinforced iron plate, quartz crystal, and cable. I think I have 2, right? Yeah. Oof. Still not enough production. Maybe I should learn an alternate recipe for these. Let's go have a look and see if I have one. Oh, hey, Mr. Bean, what you doing over here? Okay, you do you. You do you. I have not looked at this mess for a while. I mean, the alternate iron wire would have been great, like, the very beginning, but I don't think I need it now. I have tons of iron. Puricatarium sounds great, but I don't know if I want to use that. Is it worth it? Should I do it? I'm not really using up my Caterium, that's all. Maybe it's a waste. Quick wire cable might be useful. Alternate steel rod is very tempting. But it's made in a constructor. Well, I guess Iron rods are, aren't they? I have tons of iron though. I don't think I'm short on rods. Automated speed wiring sounds great, but I I think I need those for the director units, right? Which I need for the biochemical sculptors. Is that right? I can't remember. I gotta remember the chains. This one might be useful, the steamed copper sheet, but I need to get water over to and refineries over where the copper is. Except there is some impure copper down the other way. I don't know. Maybe I'll think about that later. Coated cable. I don't have oil near here. Deuterium wire sounds really useful, especially since I need copper for so many things. I don't know. I don't know. Solid steel ingot. So many of these sound like they would have been good at the early game, especially the iron ones. Oh, maybe I should learn this. Oh, the quick wire stator might be useful too. Nope. Maybe this one? Looks like it's got one crystal oscillator, 10 boards, 60, and rubber. Rubber is instead of the computer? That might be really useful. I'm looking for crystal oscillator though. Let's stay on target, shall we? Oh, here's another radio connection unit. Oh, that one uses a heatsink? Oh, that uses really different stuff. Well, I mean, except for the... Wait, quartz? The other one uses quartz? No. Alright, a computer, a... Wow, really different. Steel screws sound useful, but I kind of only have one thing that uses screws now. Here's the alternate insulated. So it uses AI limiter, rubber, and quartz. Okay, I'm going to pause and have a quick Google. Okay, so Google tells me that the alternate heavy flexible frame is better, but I'm not doing it. Figure I haven't been using many of these alternate recipes and I should start, so here we go. I need a manufacturer. I need, oh, maybe I should. I'm always doing things at the last minute. Okay, I need a manufacturer. I'm going to need rubber. So I'm wondering if I should put it over here. The rubber production's over here and the air limiters aren't too far away. There's rubber over here. AI limiters are kind of in the middle. I need to get them over there. Maybe I'll put them here. About here for now. This whole section is kind of unused. Because I moved my, what do you call it up top? My, what do you call it? The space elevator. Okay. Plonk this fella here. Let's pick the recipe. Yeah, rubber, air limiter. Oh, yeah, quartz. I gotta get quartz over here. Let's fill it up with what I have, which is not much stuff. Okay, let's hook it up to the gas. Oh, this is where I need the adaptive control units to come out. Okay. I think I used them all up, didn't I? Okay, rubber's down here. And it's chock-a-block, which I love for us. Oh no, it's a bit wonky, isn't it? Let's make this a bit straighter. I want it to go over there. 2. Oh, that gets real close, doesn't it? Oh my goodness, it's so freaking ugly though. What the heck? What the heck? Oh my goodness me. Well, once it's up here, we'll split it. We will do the split. Right. Yeah. Far away are we? Oh, we're right there. Good stuff. Let's chuck a lift on here. Oops. I didn't mean to put that right there. Try that again. I just have to do a little nice little gosh darn it. Oh well, it's fine. Let's figure out how to get the air limiters, well, the quartz crystal over here first. Okay, it's coming out over here, right? Yep. Let's put a couple of these right here. Is that lined up? Is it the middle one? It is the middle one. What is happening? There we go. Okay. I was going to come across here. Is that too far? Guess we'll find out. Is that straight? It is, right? Yeah. That one weirdly does not look straight, though. Oh well. We need to get it over there. Oh, I forgot what height it is. It's pretty low. I think that's the right height. Oh no, it doesn't line up on this grid, does it? Oh well. Too far away to snap. Okay. Put that there. Still too far away to snap. The things I do to make things snap. Fantastic. Let's delete this side. Now we just need to get the AI limiters over here. 1.875 per minute. I thought it was 2 per minute. Okay, AI limiters are underneath, I think. Are they? They are. They are. Are they? No, they're over here. Okay. Going that way. Going that way. I need to somehow get it to go that way. Should I go under? No, let's go across the top. Through here. How far away is that from the edge? Okay, we're way over to the left. We go through this way. We could. Am I stuck on that belt? I am. I keep getting stuck on these belts. Oh gosh, not another one. Come on. I don't think I can put that close. I can't snap it like that. Maybe I can just make it go through and then snap it. Nah, because it's got 2 throughputs, doesn't it? Oh, that's snapped. Wonder why. Did it need the one behind and in front? Whatever. If it works, it works. Don't question it. No, just right through the middle. Okay. I think we got those 3 hooked up, and that should be it for those. Now I gotta figure out how to get these over there. Shouldn't be too hard. Let's go across the top, shall we? Or... no, there's kind of chock-a-block down there. Whoops, not through the roof. Where am I trying to go? Right there. I do love the rain, but I wish it didn't make my controller constantly vibrate. Kind of kills the battery in 10 seconds flat. Why is it flat seconds? Are they curvy otherwise? Why can't I put... what is happening? Why? See if I can line it up with one of these. I can't, can I? Nope. It's right on that line. That is in the worst spot possible. Hang on, my light's just turned on. It's 8:30. Not straight, but it'll do. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Yep. This is how we're doing it. This is how it. Oh my god, look at that. Just didn't make it. Straight's too short. Oh, no, I almost deleted the train station. Dang it. Wish it didn't do that. Okay, super positron oscillators are coming out the end. I did not fix my radio control problem. Look, one at a time, okay? Okay, I'm trying. I'm gonna check my quartz production real quick. Oh, not too bad. Mega Factory of Doom. That's what I created. Why are you flashing yellow? Not enough crystal oscillate. I think I'm good on computers. Yeah, this is full. Where are these going? They're going to here. And where else? Whoops. Nowhere else. I think they were going that way, but they're not anymore. So they're just stored on this line for no reason. This line right here. I'm going to... whoops. I'm going to struggle, apparently. Deletes the corner too. Why not? Now, they were going down here for some reason. Where was this going? Oh, I was making turbo motors. But I don't think I ever hooked up the motor motors, did I? But I think I was chock-a-block up here anyway. Or pretty full. I mean, not as full as I'd hoped. Now I think this area is full. Because I was making these, which I need for the chemical. Let's quiz the recipe. I need to make adaptive control units to make assembly director systems. But I need... okay, these motors and the things So 3 of those things are way down the other end, and one of them's up here. You think I should just carry them back and forth? I only need 256 of these things. Wait, 256, right? Yeah, of these. And I have way more than I need. So let's turn this machine off. I think I'm going to hand carry them down there, assuming I have enough space. Maybe 100, 200, 50, 40. Oh, that's assuming it takes 1. It did say 1, right? No, I don't remember. Fantastic. Okay, still need like 90 of those. Just going to turn that off for a minute. Way more than I need. Well, that's not true. I don't have nearly as many as I need. I need to make 1,000. Copper powder's holding me up. Okay. Let's see how our wire and cable are doing. Because if we're getting enough from the other section, I might change this for copper sheeting. Oh no, wire is low. Is it because I'm using wire over here now? I might pause this machine. Only because, yeah, almost 400 of those. Oops. Let's drop off the pasta. Well, where is the pasta? Oh, it looks too much like the conversion cubes. Do I have enough room to build one here? Will I build it over here? I'm making a lot of floating factories. They're like levitating. I'm gonna do a kind of bus thing in between here though. Do you remember when this was really high and it was very difficult for me to climb up here? Now it's just like nothing. Remember when I fell off the side? Oh, that was a lot of episodes ago. Let's see if I have enough bibs and bobs. I do not. Missing supercomputers and motors. Could handle some more cooling systems too. Alright. Cooling. Supercomputer. Motor. Turbo motor. Not motor. Dang, this might turn out to be a long episode, and I got very much done again, as per usual. Quantum encoder. Okay, that's as close as it can fit. No, one more over. Nice. Nice. I might have to move this already. And I only just put it there. I just want it to line up pretty. What am I making? AI expansion server. Right? Yeah, I feel like I should flip this around though. Nah. Okay. I'm pretty close to having enough of almost everything to make all of these. Interesting. Okay. 100 per minute on the excitement. And this produces 200 per minute. This machine looks like it's going. Uses 125 per minute. I'm going to be short. And this one. Oh, I got 30 more, I guess. Okay. Let's just hook this up to the photonic. I feel like I need to make a second one though. I could just plonk it here. I don't have enough of the radio control units. So I guess that decision is made for me. Now let's see if I have drained enough power from this poor grid, which I have not been paying attention to at all. Well, maybe I should build more power. Ugh. Power consumption's a bit intense, isn't it? 2,000. Ugh. Oh, I'm not dealing with the output. I always forget about that residue. Fantastic. Dealing with the output. And we're drained. Oh, nuclear pasta is going to do terrible things for my power consumption. Oh no, those numbers are getting real close. Oh shoot. I'm just going to turn off this machine real quick. Okay. Maybe I should go build some more fuel generators. I'm going to go do that. Thanks everyone for joining me. I really appreciate you tuning in and seeing my ridiculous spaghetti factory grow. It has been fun, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.